Tired of your blush disappearing by 2 p.m.? Weary face sick of cakey powders that make you look 10 years older? Me too. That's why today's video is a total game changer. I've curated the 15 most impressive, long-lasting, and skin-transforming products on Amazon that cost less than your lunch but perform like an Oscar-winning glam squad. From pH-activated magic to 12-hour, Buttermelt formulas, this is the definitive list to dominate 2026. Comment ready if you're tired of wasting money, and let's dive into product number 1. First up, we have the e.l.f. Sheer for It Blush Tint in the shade Cherry Cola. This isn't just a blush, it's a total mood. It's got this incredible lightweight, watery texture infused with hyaluronic acid, so it hydrates while it stains. It gives you that I just ate a popsicle look on your lips and a natural sun-kissed flush on your cheeks. It's transfer resistant and lasts up to 6 hours. At under $6, it's the ultimate budget-friendly staple for that no makeup day. Are you a lip tint or a lipstick person? Type your answer below, I'm reading every single one. Next, the TikTok legend, SHEGLAM's Color Bloom Liquid Blush in Love Cake. This is for my matte lovers. The sponge tip applicator makes it foolproof, literally just 1 dot per cheek is all you need. It's a gel cream formula that blends like a dream without ever looking patchy. For $5, the pigmentation rivals high-end brands that cost 5 times as much. It gives you that soft, romantic flush that stays put all day. 1 dot or 3 dots? How much blush do you usually apply? Let's settle the blush blindness debate in the comments. If you want to feel expensive, you need the Laura Geller Baked Blush-n-Brighten in Pink Buttercream. This is handmade in Italy and baked for 24 hours on terracotta tiles. Italy, it's a marbleized mix of raspberry, bronze, and pink. Because it's a cream-to-powder formula, it never looks cakey. It's enriched with white tea extracts, so it's actually skincare infused. This is the secret to that expensive skin look. It's currently a steal on Amazon, so grab it before the price jumps back up. Have you ever tried baked makeup before? Comment baked if you're a fan. COVERGIRL is coming for the luxury brands with their TruBlend Skin Enhancer in Rose Latte. This is a baked luminous blush that acts like a filter for your face. It has hyaluronic acid and white rose extract to soothe your skin. The Rose Latte shade is a sophisticated nude with pink swirls that doesn't emphasize pores or wrinkles. It's talc-free, vegan, and gives you a suede-like finish that looks professional and refined. It's the perfect office-to-dinner blush. What's your skin type, dry, oily, or combo? I'll recommend the best blush for you in the replies. Meet the ultimate travel companion, Essence What a Tint, in Kiss from a Rose. This $5 miracle is non-sticky and completely kiss-proof. It dries down instantly to a transfer-proof finish. Whether you're eating, drinking, or wearing a mask, this rose-tinted glow isn't going anywhere. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, and it's Climate Partner certified. It's proof that you don't need to spend $30 to get a long-lasting, high-quality stain. Smash that like button if you hate sticky lip gloss as much as I do. Efficiency is key, and the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick in Dazzling Peony is a 3-in-1 powerhouse. Use it on your eyes, lips, and cheeks for a perfectly coordinated, monochromatic look. It's packed with shea butter and vitamin E, so it melts into the skin. If you're a girl on the go or love a 5-minute makeup routine, this $6 stick is your new best friend. It's creamy, blendable, and leaves a subtle shimmer that makes you look wide awake. If you could only use one makeup product for the rest of your life, what would it be? Tell me below. A true classic that never fails, Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Mauve. This is the old reliable of the beauty world. It's lightweight, dermatologist tested, and designed to enhance your natural skin tone rather than hide it. The mauve shade is universally flattering. It mimics a natural flush perfectly. It's smooth, non-comedogenic, and fits perfectly in any makeup bag. At under $7, it's a staple that rivals any luxury powder blush on the market. What was your very first makeup brand? Mine was Maybelline. Let me know yours in the comments. NYX really did something with the Buttermelt powder blush. Specifically the shade for the Butta. It's infused with mango, almond, and shea butters. It literally feels like a cream but applies like a powder. It promises 12 hours of fade-resistant wear. If you struggle with your blush disappearing by lunchtime, you need this Butta formula. It's highly pigmented, vegan, and gives a radiant, skin-like finish that doesn't look chalky. Does your makeup usually last all day? Comment stays or fades. Warning, this product is extremely pigmented. The e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in Dusty Rose is a beast. The grooved applicator is genius because it holds just enough product. One tiny dot is all you need for both cheeks. It dries to a soft, dewy finish that looks like you just walked out of a facial. It's long-lasting, vegan, and at $8, one bottle will probably last you a lifetime. It's a high-performance formula that puts luxury brands to shame. Tag a friend who always wears too much blush. Face with tears of joy. Let's see who's the blush queen. The Clean Girl Gold Standard, the Milk Makeup Lip Plus Cheek Stick in the shade Werk. This Dusty Rose cream is legendary. It uses mango butter and avocado oil to hydrate while giving you a buildable, demi-matte finish. It's designed for over 1,000 applications per stick. It's an investment that pays off. It's paraben-free, vegan, and gives you that effortless, cool girl radiance. If you want the best of the best, this is it. Would you use this more on your lips or your cheeks? Comment your pick. The Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Pinch Me Pink. Don't let the price tag fool you. This formula is infused with luxurious jojoba oil. It's velvety, it's silky, and it blends like a dream. It gives you that effortless, matte, natural sheer glow that usually costs $30 in a department store. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and has a soft focus effect that literally blurs your skin while you wear it. If you're looking for high-end results on a coffee money budget, this is your winner. Are you a save or splurge girl? Comment save if you love a drugstore gem or splurge if you're a luxury addict. Okay, this is basically magic in a tube. Meet the Wonderskin pHlush stick. It looks deep gray in the tube, I know, stay with me, but as soon as it touches your skin, it reacts to your unique pH level to create your perfect custom shade. It's like a mood ring for your face. It's cooling, refreshing, and packed with niacinamide and shea butter. It hydrates like skincare but leaves a dewy, personalized flush that literally no one else can replicate because it's your color. This is the ultimate cool girl tech for 2026. I want to know, what color do you think this would turn on your skin? Pink, peach, or red? Guess below. If you hate carrying a 20-piece brush set, the Julep Skip the Brush Stick in Muted Mauve is your new soulmate. It's a cream-to-powder formula that sets in exactly 45 seconds. It uses soft focus powder technology and ultra-fine pearls to give you a glow that never looks cakey. The Muted Mauve is that perfect, sophisticated orchid tone that makes your cheekbones look lifted and professional. It's 2-in-1 for lips and cheeks, meaning you can finish your entire face in the car or the elevator. Efficiency has never looked this good. How long does your morning makeup take? 5 minutes or 50 minutes? Let's see the average time in the comments. This next one literally won awards for a reason. The Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tint in Chill. It's a bouncy, jelly-textured stain that feels like an ice cube on your face, perfect for those hot summer days or early mornings. It's infused with vegan collagen and aloe to firm and hydrate your skin while it tints. Be warned, it sets fast because it's a true stain, but once it's on, it is not moving. It's transfer-proof, smudge-proof, and gives you over 1,000 applications in one tiny stick. This is the future of lip and cheek color. Type jelly in the comments if you've seen this viral stick on your TikTok feed lately. And finally, the grand finale. The Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in the world-famous Pinkgasm. This is the red carpet secret. It uses glow gel technology and light-reflecting pigments to blur, lift, and brighten your face instantly. It's not just a blush, it's a liquid highlighter and glow booster all in one. The cushion tip applicator makes it so easy to dot and glow. If you want that camera-activated, superstar radiance that makes you look like a Hollywood A-lister, this is the only product you need. It's worth every single penny. Is Charlotte Tilbury the goat of makeup? Yes or a no? Let's fight it out in the comments. There you have it, the 15 absolute best Amazon finds to transform your look and your confidence. Whether you're going for the $5 e.l.f. tint or the luxury Charlotte Tilbury glow, your perfect match is in the description right now. Make sure you've hit subscribe, liked this video, and commented which product was your favorite. Check the links, grab your deals, and I'll see you in the next viral breakdown. Stay beautiful, stay bold. Bye.